Alright guys, lesson 10, we're going to start multiplying decimals. So we've been working on whole numbers, but now we're on decimals. It's really not anything different. Actually it is different, but it's not that big of a deal. So we're going to estimate first. So we're going to round, it's going to be 22 times 2 and 4/10. So we're going to round 22 to 20. We're going to round 2.4 to the nearest whole number, which will be 2. So this will give me 40. So now we're going to use a little multiplication. Now you see what they did over here. They took this, the 2 and 4/10, and they basically put it in unit form, and they just said 24/10. And we're going to keep that tenths, but we're going to bring it down. So just multiply 24 times 22. 8, that's 4, 0, 8, 4. Okay? 8, 2, 5. Now it says 528 tenths. So the tenths came all the way down here. Now, what does that equal? Well, our estimate was 40. Well, this isn't close, 528, but it's the tenths. So, where's the decimal point go? Right there. So it's 52.8. Makes sense? Let's go to another one. Let's try B here. 3, I'm going to 3.2, I'm going to round to 3 times 94, I'm going to round to 90, and that's going to give me 270. So now we're dealing with tenths. So I'm going to bring the tenths down, and I'm going to multiply 32 times 94. Same thing. I mean, guys, this is 2 by 2. We were just doing 4 by 3, so this is like, whoa, party time. 8, 1, 2, and then 0, 8, 27, 28. Now 8, 0, 0, 3. And I bring the tenths down, so this is 3,008 tenths. Now, remember, tenths tells me the last digits in the tens place. So that means the number is 300.8. Alright, did I get it right? Hold on. I did. Yes. Alright. Now Michelle multiplied 33 and 4/10 times 52. She incorrectly wrote 1,768 as her product. Use words, numbers, and/or pictures to explain Michelle's mistake. Well, the way I look at it, this is 3 and 4/10. This answer is supposed to be in the 10th spot. So let's show Michelle where she went wrong. 52 times 34/10. So we got the 8 and we got 200. Then we got 0, then we have 6, then we have 15. So there's 8,671 tenths, which is equal to 176.8. So use pictures. It says words, numbers, and or pictures to explain Michelle's mistake. Michelle multiplied correctly, but did not include, you could say, the tenths. Alright, I think that's it. I don't think I have anything left. So check out the flowchart. Have fun. Bye.